Hi guys, so I'm going to show you my website that I was able to create through the Digital Wealth Academy course that I purchased that is teaching me how to have success online using digital products. First, like this video, save this video, and share this video with your bestie. Alright, so this is my website that I created. This course teaches you step by step how to set this up, which you can use your logo or a picture here, and then your name, and you're going to be able to put your social media handles also. It's going to teach you how to put all of these items on your website. So these are the courses that I have to offer through this Digital Wealth Academy course. You get 6 PLR products that comes with it as a bonus when you purchase the Digital Wealth Academy. And these courses are basically courses people buy to learn how to use social media. Like, for instance, the Reels Guide. People want to learn how to use the Reels on Instagram. Let's see, we have Faceless Reels Guide. This is used on Instagram. You have Faceless TikTok Blueprint. It's selling for $37. So you sell these, all of these products are resellable. You have the Digital Playbook. You have the Digital Wealth Guide. So when you resell these products, you get 100% profit. You're getting the resale rights to resell these products. That's why we're having so much success with this digital marketing business, because it is so profitable. People are looking for a way to make extra money. You have people out there that want to upgrade their digital marketing skills. You have freelancers out there that are looking for a great course that's going to enhance their skills. Okay, so these digital products are a need. This is a digital world. Everything is changing. Products are going online. So that's why we are saying digital products, because they are digital. It's not a physical product. So when you purchase these digital products, we then transfer to the customer through email a link, which they'll be able to open that product in their email, on their phone, or on their computer. So it's digital. It's not like they're going to get a book in the mail or something like that. It's digital, meaning it's transferable through your email. Okay? And so that's how we are making so much money on social media with digital products. And if you guys are interested in starting your own digital marketing business, simply comment ready, and I will send you this free ebook that I have. Let's see where it is. It's called the free, it's up here somewhere, free sneak peek beginner's guide that you can get to read. It's going to tell you everything that you need to know, how you're going to make money using this Digital Wealth Academy course, and so forth. So if you have any questions, comment on this post. If you want to get started, you want more information, comment ready, and I will send you over my ebook. And I'm just trying to make sure that it's everything I'm covering. And so I will be making another video for you guys, just giving you more information, to give you inspiration, and just to have a thought of a way to make extra money online. So keep that in mind. Stay tuned for the next video.